Throwing it back. Got the old school crew in. Only a few weeks left of the season. See how today goes. We got 17 yards.
Yes, sir.
It's 8:30. It's soaking wet. It's been dewier than a mug all morning. Frost.
Can't see shit.
Everything. But I imagine we're gonna have blades on here in about 15 minutes, about 8:45. Probably be wet for about 3 or 4 of them, but then after that we'll be good. So we'll stay tuned in. Should be a nice day. Well, it's almost 3 o'clock and we kind of forgot to film a little bit. We finished the route around 1 o'clock and now we're over here tearing out some mums that didn't make it and replacing them with more mums. They're gonna look nice though. So yeah.
Sometimes these mums are like pulling a rabbit out of a hat, especially when they're ready to go. See?
Well, what's your review for the day?
Good day. Got a lot done. Warmed up pretty quick. Pretty cold this morning. But yeah, pretty good day for the most part.
Pretty nice out here.
And for starting off 30 degrees in the morning, it's pretty nice weather right now in the afternoon.
I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but I want to be wherever that neighbor's at.
Yeah, agreed.
Sounds like some country music blaring out of the garage over there. Kind of sounds like a party. Shit, Damien. Let's get out of here, man. Oh, we got a little trucker battle here. This dude here can't figure out how to get out. This dude here says, you, I'm just going anyway. Buddy over there didn't like it. He was honking at him. Oh, he's waving us on. Give him a little trucker wave and away she goes. Certified cat scale right there. Oh, it doesn't show the time. I don't know what time it is. We just got home. It's that time. Time for some Reptar beers. All right, evening update. 5:15. Boys just went to football. Waiting for Katie to get back. We're gonna go finish planting those mums. There are only 2 left to do. And then of course, she heard that we had mums getting planted, so she wants some mums of her own. You guys want to see something ratty? Yuck. I used to take really good care of the backyard. And after getting the dog, he tore it up. And then I got tired of trimming it and picking all the dog shit up. So I literally just sprayed Roundup on the whole backyard and nuked it all. And I mean, it's been years since I did that. I did that like 3 years ago, 4 years ago, maybe. We used to have a pool sitting there next to the trampoline too. But yeah, I sprayed Roundup. I nuked that whole entire thing. And it's been there's a fence. You can. So we took that fence out and wanted to get this backyard fixed this year. We'd like to get things cleaned up and maybe get a larger house someday, but who knows. But took the fence out, decided we're going to aerate, overseed, take care of the yard. Did that in the spring. Had decent results. And mind you, this thing was literally all dirt. This was just a dirt Roundup dirt patch. And so here's the result. Probably 50-50. I'm about to come back in. You can see the hoses out. I'm gonna run the sprinkler quite a bit. Get that thing really soft because it's hard as a desert. Get that real soft and aerate it, overseed it. Hopefully get it looking a little bit more like the front, which is, I mean, mind you, we've been going through a really bad drought. You can see everybody's it's pretty well burnt around here. A little strong on that bush there, maybe. Speaking of bush, pick this beautiful, beautiful Spruce Alberta, something like that. But anyhow, customer didn't want it. We said we'll put that baby to use. Matches that bad boy perfect. So gotta replace Old Glory. Oh, kind of forgot where I was going. So did the aeration, the overseed, got the yard is just pretty bad right now. So we're trying to do another shot right now, but the mower that pulls the aerator is in the shop. So side yard coming in nice and thick. So even this real thick grass is even take a little burn, but Whatevs. Here's your reminder, everybody. It's trash night. There's a better view of that tree. See a butte, Clark? Used to have about 6 of these till I ran them all over with my trailer. Haven't got the spiral one yet. All right, well, no thanks to Katie, we got her done. Got her put in. Bench goes right in between there. Heading home. Skate park therapy. This is how they do us. That side gets the light, this side doesn't. No lights for the skate park. Oh boy. I'm gonna do that one more time and that's gonna be it. Let's get this fucking disaster. The disaster is not happening. Hey. Well, I was gonna go home, but I hit the lights. I don't know, that fun box is looking awfully fun. That was almost bad. That shit's a wrap. Well, guys, first video back. Felt pretty good. Damien and I went out this morning. We knocked out probably, I don't know, I think we had 17 yards on the list. We skipped 4 of them, added 1. 17 minus 4, 13, add 1 is 14. 14 yards done by, I don't know, about 1:30, 1 o'clock, something like that. Then we went to Tyson's got some mums. Went to a client's house that needed some dead mums pulled out, new ones put in. Did that. About 3 o'clock, Damien had to go pick the kids up, took him to his house, came home, took a little shower, got my kids ready to go to football. Sent them off to football, and then went out, went back to that mum job. Then we had 2 left that we had to leave with, just those 2. So I went back and I got those 2 put in. Boy, I tell you what, I had to remove a hydrangea to get one of those in, and it was the fight of my life. I didn't have any power tools with me. I didn't have a sawzall. I didn't have nothing to cut the roots except for a shovel, and then I ended up breaking the shovel, of course. It was a pain in the ass. I fought it. I cussed at it. We had just a hell of a time with it. But it's done. It's in. It looks good. That's how life goes. Sometimes you get it done. It goes smooth. Sometimes it's hard. As long as you get it done, it doesn't matter, right? So that's done. A lot of people ask where we went, and honestly, in the spring we were making the videos, everything was going really good. We hit a really busy point in the season, and it just felt like filming and then coming home and editing, and I had too much on my plate at the time, and YouTube just happened to be the thing that went. But we did eventually catch back up. I just kind of fell out of the habit, and something I've been kind of missing, so I decided to come back to it, and hope you guys enjoy the videos because I enjoy making them, and hopefully we start getting back to at least 3 a week. I'd like to get back to where I was making those daily vlogs, but we'll see if I can get that much editing time. It's really not the filming, it's the editing, going home and mashing everything up. That really takes a long time. Yeah, pretty successful day. I guess I never mentioned, while Damien and I were out doing that, Devin was at the golf course. He teasing collars and mowed some roughs and blew the course off a little bit, and just taking care of our baby out there. Had a bit of an issue with the plow truck this week. Thought we had to go get the brakes replaced. Took it in there, got a phone call, ended up being brakes, calipers, rotors, and both leaf springs were broken. So a bit is still 15, 16, 17, 1800. I don't know, I haven't got the bill yet, but it's definitely going to be a high one. So luckily I had a steel concrete saw I was able to sell for $1,200 today, so that'll help with some of those breakdown fees and whatnot. But it's been wild lately. The BR800 out, it's been crap. Honestly, I love the blower when it works, but it is the hardest freaking thing to get just going consistently. It never wants to start. If you do get it started, it runs like a champ. It'll usually run throughout the day, but the minute it decides it just doesn't want to start anymore, you are going to throw your arm out doing it. After about 10 minutes and throwing your arm out, it'll fire. I personally think it must have kinked hose lines or something, fuel lines. Well, it looks like I cut off there, but I was saying it looked like I felt like I had kinked fuel lines or something like that, because it's so inconsistent on when it wants to go and when it doesn't want to, and it's had every part of it replaced, everything. And it's only a year old. I bought it I can't remember last. It's been like this since day one. And yes, we've taken that little screen off the spark catcher deal or whatever. That's taken off. We blow that out constantly with compressed air. It just, personally, I think it's the side pull. That's actually what I think it is that damn side pull, as convenient as it is. I just don't think it catches and grabs it as good as the one that has the top pull. So yeah, the 800 was broke. 600 broke while the 800 was broke. Took the 600 in, got the 800 back, luckily. Then found out that my 54-inch mower was every time you go through tall grass, it was just losing RPMs and dying out. So that's been in the shop for about 8 days or something. I'm not sure what's wrong with that. And then we've got the heat and the AC went out in both trucks this year. The compressors, blowers, I'm not sure. Those are both going to get fixed here before the winter. So yeah, no heat or AC in both trucks. Both backpack blowers broken. Mower down. Whatever else comes our way, I guess we'll just keep swinging. So yeah, it feels good to be back. Not much has changed. We've still been out here working, grinding, hustling. It's just kind of fell off the YouTube bandwagon. Hoping we can get back on it and bring you guys some good content tomorrow.